Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with the petunias, flowers, pot planters, which is very interesting and lovely. Just because these are the flowery plant, that's why I am sharing you with the ideas of petunia plants here for your convenience. So watch the video till end, enjoy the video till end, and if you like one of the idea, then write in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Viewers, this is very interesting and the most beautiful ideas of the flower. So let's move on to the video and let's begin to watch the video. Viewers, welcome to the channel of Decor Life. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen the wonderful ideas of petunia plants, pot planters, which is looking very beautiful just because these are the colorful plants, flowers, grow in it. Very wonderful, very beautiful looking. You can make decoration with these plant flowers also. This one is looking very nice. The purple, the lavenders, the pinks, the reds, the magentas, fuchsias, pinks, very nice, very beautiful, very interesting ideas. Make your home decor with these pot planters amazing, very looking very nice. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.